Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the understanding object.define property and object.freeze. So today we'll be discussing about the advanced date and time handling in JavaScript. So handling dates and times is critical for the applications, right? So libraries like Luxon or APIs such as internationalization, which we have already seen basically, Intel.datetime format make this efficient and customizable. Again, I'm telling handling dates and times is critical for the application. So libraries like Luxon or APIs such as Intel.date time format makes this efficient and customizable. I'll show you. Let's try to implement the same thing with a very simple example. Let's see how to format the dates with Intel.date time format. You can just Google for this one. How to make use of the Luxon library or libraries like Luxon, right? So I'll quickly come here. Um, Let me give here, let date equals new date. So next, let me consider the variable name formatter. I'll just give here new Intel dot date time format. Within this one, I'll just give here US. Let me quickly give here within this one. Let me set month something. A month. Let me give here long. Then day. Let's set this one to numeric. Let me quickly give here numeric, and also year. Let's set the year to numeric as well. So here I'll quickly give numeric. Let's come out of this one. Let's log something here. I'll just give here console log of formatter dot format of we have considered date, right? Let's pass the date over here. So let's try running the code. Yeah, we are getting the output December 14, 2024, which is today, right? So this works absolutely correct. You now know how to make use of this one, basically how to make use of the internationalization this one Intel API, or you know how to format the dates with Intel.datetime format, right? I hope this concept is completely clear. I insist you to try the Luxon library as well. Just Google it. You can try the Luxon library. Just try out different examples. You'll understand the concept better, right? So this is it for the this one, advanced date and time handling and JavaScript. Next, let's discuss on creating the custom DSLs in JavaScript. When I say DSL, it is nothing but the domain specific languages. Let's see. Let's discuss on creating custom DSLs in JavaScript. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.